Airspeeder NK4, a next-gen marvel that's redefining flight. This aerial speedster zooms from 0 to 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds, driven by hydrogen-electric power. But it's more than speed. With a 300 kilometers range per charge, it's built for endurance. Think of piloting it as flying a Formula One car through the sky, packing 1,340 horsepower into a 950 kilograms frame. The Airspeeder NK4 is as agile as it is powerful, pushing aviation to thrilling new heights. 2024 will see the first manned races, and this game changer will be center stage. Imagine yourself in the cockpit, racing into history. With prices between $1.5 million and $1.7 million, it's an investment in the future of racing, where the experience is priceless. When it comes to ropeways and people movers, Doppelmayr/Garaventa is in a league of its own. They are the go-to experts for any transportation challenge, whether it's cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, or funiculars. With over 15,400 installations across 96 countries, they've proven their ability to tackle projects of all sizes, from ski resorts and urban transit systems to amusement parks and material handling. Their strength lies in creating innovative, customized solutions to meet your specific needs. Choosing to partner with Doppelmayr/Garaventa means you'll benefit from top-notch technology, exceptional quality, and a strong commitment to safety. While their solutions can range from $1 million to $100 million, investing in quality when it comes to transportation is always a smart move. The Finnex Fins is a revolutionary motor that redefines the norm. Forget the old-school propeller. This motor uses a smooth, flexible membrane inspired by the fluid motions of jellyfish and dolphins, merging nature with high-tech innovation. Picture this. It's like a mix between a hairdryer and a modern lamp, but don't let the quirky look deceive you. Powered by a robust 72-amp battery, the Fins delivers a range of 39 kilometers at a steady 5 kilometers / reaching a max speed of 11 kilometers / all while ditching the gearbox and crankshaft for simplicity. The best part, its membrane lasts 2 years and can be easily replaced. At $3,447, the Finnex Fins offers a sleek, nature-inspired, and efficient alternative that's set to redefine outboard motors. Introducing the solar-powered car air freshener, a groundbreaking gadget that's set to revolutionize your driving experience. This isn't just any ordinary air freshener. With the base's car air perfume, you have complete control over both the scent and its intensity in your vehicle. But here's the best part. It activates automatically when you enter your car, conserving energy while ensuring a delightful aroma every time you hit the road. Adjusting the settings is effortless, whether you use the user-friendly app or the device itself. Plus, with integrated solar panels, you'll never have to worry about recharging. Introducing the Smart Pet Door, the perfect gateway to outdoor freedom for your furry friend, minus the hassle of unexpected gifts. We all love our pets, but those surprise trophies they bring in, not so much. That's where the Smart Pet Door steps in. Equipped with cutting-edge AI, it recognizes when your pet is carrying an uninvited guest. With Face ID and RFID technology, it only allows your cat inside, keeping those surprises outdoors. Simple to install, and with night vision, it's the ideal hands-off solution for any pet owner wanting a little extra peace of mind. Introducing the Flicker Feather and Scout Feather, Outdoor Elements' latest survival knives crafted for modern explorers. These knives come with an upgraded sheath, featuring a diamond plate for on-the-go sharpening, and a ferrocerium rod with a 115 decibel emergency whistle on the lanyard. Smart essentials for any adventure. Choose between the Flicker Feather, a compact design with a 6.4 centimeters x 1.9 centimeters blade, or the Scout Feather, a classic shape with a slightly longer 7 centimeters blade. Both are made from VG10 Japanese steel, renowned for durability and edge retention. At just $75 for the pair, these knives deliver practicality and reliability in the great outdoors. Introducing the Beacon Box, a true lifesaver for anyone with health concerns living solo. This innovative device pairs seamlessly with your wearables, like smartwatches, and keeps tabs on your health with smart AI algorithms. Here's the game changer. If it senses something unusual, it'll prompt you to check in. If there's no response, Beacon Box springs into action, reaching out to emergency services on your behalf. Priced at just $150, it offers priceless peace of mind, ensuring help is never more than a click away. Meet the Bond Lamp, the ultimate protector for your home. This isn't your typical light with a simple on-off timer. It's a smart device that learns your daily routines to create a lifelike presence, making it look like someone's always home and keeping intruders at bay. Through its intuitive smartphone app, you can easily control every setting to fit your schedule. Plus, the Bond Lamp's built-in battery powers it for up to 4 hours during outages, ensuring your home is always illuminated. Ready to boost your home's security? Get a set of 3 for just $199 on Kickstarter, and add a touch of intelligence to your lighting. While American and European inventors are busy crafting fun gadgets like speakers, keyboards, and fishing rod holders, engineers in Hong Kong are shaking things up with the Hero electric nail clipper. This high-tech nail trimmer, packed into a compact, ball-shaped case, is more than just practical, it's revolutionary. Charge it up with a simple USB, place your nail in the slot, and it precisely trims each one with ease. Keeping your nails neat has never been simpler or more efficient. And the best part? It's available for just $64, making this clever little tool a must-have. Imagine crafting your dream floating tent. What features would you want to include? Look no further than the SJ tent for some serious inspiration. It features a sturdy 15 centimeters thick floor that doubles as a comfy mattress. Your safety is a top priority, thanks to 3 separate air chambers that provide added peace of mind. Plus, its square design, measuring 2.4 meters on each side, ensures unbeatable stability on the water. The complete package includes a carry bag, repair patches, and a pump with a total weight of 59 kilograms. With all these incredible features, the SJ tent can be yours for just $2,900. Get ready for the ultimate outdoor adventure. Switzerland isn't just famous for watches, banks, and ski resorts. It's also a powerhouse in robotics innovation. With nearly a quarter of the world's top robotics labs based here, Switzerland leads in creating some of the most advanced robots out there. Take this one, for instance. It's like a futuristic underwater specialist designed for extreme scenarios where human divers simply can't go. Equipped with cutting-edge AI, it navigates flawlessly even in zero visibility and autonomously identifies specific objects based on programmed criteria. Imagine the game-changing power. If this new fishing tech catches on, it could completely transform how we fish. This fishing rod stand is a leap forward, alerting you the moment there's a tug on your line. With a compact keychain featuring 4 indicator lights, 1 for each rod, you're always in the loop, even if you step away. Priced around $150, it may seem like a splurge, but think of the freedom it brings. Say goodbye to those endless hours spent staring at a motionless float. Now that is fishing redefined. Glamo's pulled in an impressive $400,000 on Kickstarter. Now that's a success story. Created by 2 former Samsung engineers, Glamo's is here to transform how we interact with screens. Imagine this. Attach Glamo's to any screen, and suddenly you're controlling it with simple hand gestures. It's like turning any surface into a touchscreen. No taps, just waves. This little device detects gestures within a 1-meter radius, clocking in at 40 frames per second for a smooth experience. And here's the best part. It's ultra-light at just 18 grams, small enough to slip right into your pocket. Ready to try it? You can snag one on Kickstarter for just $100. Now that is tech innovation at its finest. Let's dive into this remarkable lamp and its incredible features. While you might expect something priced at $4,371 to brew coffee or even write poetry with AI, this lamp focuses on what it does best. It's a true game changer for business meetings, featuring a built-in projector that lets you display images straight from your smartphone. Its touch-responsive surface is powered by its own operating system, Abu's Monte Rosa, with support for AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast. This lamp is incredibly versatile, and with 360-degree sound coverage, it transforms any space into a dynamic presentation area. Suddenly, that price tag feels justified given all the innovative functionality it brings to the table. Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair, a brilliant innovation in camping comfort that adapts effortlessly to any terrain. Built with a low center of gravity, this sturdy rocker ensures exceptional stability wherever you set up camp. Its curved vertical supports and roomy headrest make it perfect for even the tallest and broadest adventurers. Thanks to the automatic tilt system, you'll experience uninterrupted comfort as you relax. Crafted from lightweight aircraft aluminum, it can support up to 136 kilograms, making it a reliable choice for all. Available in 5 vibrant colors, this chair retails for $300, promising to elevate your outdoor experience in style.